Today I want to share about aloe vera juice. What is benefit of aloe vera juice? Patanjali aloe vera juice is a dietary supplement made from the extract of the aloe vera plants. It is known for its many health benefits, including boosting immunity, aiding in indigestion, and promoting healthy skin and hair. The juice is made with 100% pure aloe vera gel and is free from added prevention and artificial colors. It can be consumed on the regular basis to help improve overall health and well-being. Aloe vera juice is a liquid derived from the leaves of the aloe vera plants. It is often consumed as a health supplement due to its potential benefits such as helping improve digestion, reducing inflammation, and boosting the immune system. It is also used topically to treat skin conditions such as burns and eczema. It should be noted that the FDA has issued warning letter to companies that make unproven claims about the health benefit of aloe vera juice. So it's improved to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming it. Daily consumption of it manages a range of digestive disorders including poor digestion, constipation, acidity, and gas. It is also beneficial in boosting appetite and keeping a check on weight gain. It has antioxidant and possible antimicrobial properties. It helps maintain smooth, radiant skin and promote hair growth. It can be used as an herbal tonic for curing hormonal issues as well as pancreas and spleen related disorders. The health of benefiting properties of aloe vera juice also boosting the body immunity. The juice is act as a laxative and it therefore not recommended for pregnant women and those with sensitive motion.